Today, I'm going to give you 3 tips for live coding as a non-native English speaker. So the first tip is to always talk through your logic before you start coding. Here, you get a chance to ask clarification questions like, does that sound correct? How does this solution sound? Am I along the right lines? These phrases are very, very good. And even if you have the solution already, you should always ask clarification questions to align with the examiner or the interviewer. The next tip is if you do make an error, great, that's fine. There's nothing wrong with errors. Everyone makes errors. It's more about how do you handle the error. You should be using phrases like, oh, it looks like I've made a mistake here. Let me just revise my code and try to fix that. What the interviewer is looking for, it's not how perfect your solution is. Of course, that helps. But it's also how do you handle making errors? At the end of the interview, I would say, is there anything you would like me to go over? Is there anything that's unclear and you would like me to dive into the details? Again, this is about aligning with the interviewer and just clarifying anything that they're confused about. So if you like these tips, definitely subscribe to our newsletter. If you are a programmer and you are learning English, our ebook would also be perfect for you. I'll give a link in the description. And if you want a discount code, it'll also be there as well. So thank you and happy learning.